Good evening. This is Larry King with Larry King Live. Congress just passed a law yesterday taking away the right to vote from people who don't own houses and land. People who don't own houses and land are lazy and inferior, or they would have a house on land. People who live in trailers are trailer trash and are stupid. They didn't apply themselves in their education so that they could get a real job. People who live in houses on land are superior people. They are the only ones who deserve to vote. If a person becomes disabled and loses his house and has to move to an apartment or a trailer, it's just natural selection. They weren't good enough to be part of society because they were genetically inferior. They're clumsy, lazy, genetically inferior people who need to be killed because they couldn't abide by the rules of a decent society and buy a house and land. Wait. This just in. The law was overturned today because a new study shows that people who worked and bought houses weren't capable of independent thought. As it turns out, people who buy houses on land are the ones who are genetically inferior. They are easily trained to follow whatever rules their employers present. They are mindless sheep who have been duped into competing in order to obtain what society has presented as the norm. A new law is being passed to take the vote away from those who own houses on land because they are incapable of independent thought. They are grossly inferior to those with trailers and those living on the streets. All houses on land will be bulldozed to the ground. We're out of time for tonight. I guess I'll hang up my suspenders and get ready to move to my new home on the street.